Now I am going to teach you what is echo and print. Now, what is echo? Echo is actually used to get output on the screen. When you will write anything in the PHP code, in order to show something, you must have to use the echo. Otherwise, there will be no output on the browser. Echo has no return value. That means echo does not return any value. Echo can take multiple parameters. But actually this type of example is very rare. Normally we do not use parameterized echo. Echo can be used with or without parentheses. That means you can use parentheses or without parentheses. I will show you this in detail. And after echo there is print. This is similar to echo. This is also used to get output on the screen, but here you see that echo has no return value, but in the case of print it has a return value 1. Echo can take multiple parameters, but here print can take only one argument. Echo can be used like echo, print can be used with or without parentheses like this. Parenthesis means this one, or without parenthesis is this one. So those two are almost similar. So what among these what item will you use in your programming? So actually echo is marginally faster than print, so I personally suggest you to use echo wherever possible. Now let's check. I am going to show you something using the echo. For example, I am going to print something that is my country name is Bangladesh. So I can use normally echo to print this text. Now go to here and refresh. You see that my country name is Bangladesh. Now what I can do, instead of using this, I can use it as function. That means with parentheses I can also use this. My country name is Bangladesh. If I now stop this, now reload, you will see that the output is similar, right? Now how I can use it? I can write HTML tags into here. That is like this, Bangladesh. I can use HTML tag into the echo. Now refresh, you see that the HTML is working. Actually here if you go to Vsauce, you will see that this one is going to be printed. Now echo can be used to print something like this. That means for the multiple parameters how we can use echo. This is one. Another parameter will be like this, another one will be like this. Here we can easily use the string. For another example, Bangladesh, I given a space, is given a space, my country. So total 3 string. You see that this is one string, this is another one, and this is another one. So I take all this as a parameter here into the echo. So it is possible. If I refresh, you will see that Bangladesh is my country. So in this way you can easily use echo on your code. Similarly, print, it is possible to print this. I am going to copy and paste it. If I now refresh, you see that it is working. If I now go to use the second one, but here instead of echo I give print like this. Now if I refresh, you will see that it also take the parenthesis, so it is working. Another one is this. I can use here print like this, so it is possible, right? But you see that here we told it can take multiple parameters, but print can take only one argument. Now if I try the last one with the print, what will happen? If I try to print this one, you see that already there is an error showing, syntax error. That means the VS Code editor already telling me that this is actually the syntax error. That was not in the case of echo. You see that this is syntax error. So that means it is not allowed. I hope you have understood how we can print something on the output using the echo and print.